When setting up a service, you normally choose which dates the service is available on by selecting which month, which day of the week and which times, and then the service will generate the dates. This only works if your service follows a regular pattern. If it doesn't, then you need to use manual dates, where you can actually select which dates exactly that the service will be available on. So that's what we're going to look at now. The last feature that we haven't looked at so far within the full version of Booking Robot is manual dates. A standard service, such as boat hire, generates its own dates using our selection of which months we choose it to operate on, which day of the week it chooses to operate on, and what times. If you offer a service that doesn't follow a regular pattern such as this, then manual dates will offer a solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out of here and create a new service. Save and close. We're going to go to New, and we're going to give it a title of Bob's Beach Party. Because Bob has decided once a month during the summer he's going to offer a beach party which will be available for booking on his system. Double bookings are going to be set to yes, and multiple chargeable is yes, and service capacity is going to be 20, and we're going to have a price for adults of I think his party is going to be quite expensive, so let's make it £35, and we're going to add a price here, and we're going to have a child price also, and that is going to be £25, and we'll add the price in here. Now, a maximum group size is going to be 20. We're going to have a start date, because we must have a start date right there, and everything else is fine. What I'm not going to do is I'm not going to select any months, days or times. Save and close. So Bob's Beach Party probably won't display yet. Oh, it's displaying, but there's no dates. So what we need to do is we need to go in and we have to actually manually add the dates. Manual dates. New date. And we're going to select the date, and it's going to be in 2018 in May, and it's going to be the first Saturday of May. And we're going to associate that to Bob's Beach Party, and it's going to start at 2 p.m. and save and new. And now what we're going to do, you're probably going to see a pattern here. We're going to go to June. And it's going to be the first Saturday in June. It's going to be for Bob's Beach Party, and it's going to start at 2 p.m. Save and new. We'll add a couple more of these. May, June, July. It's first Saturday at 2 p.m. For Bob's Beach Party. Save and new. And the last one, July, August, is going to be the first Saturday in August for Bob's Beach Party at 2 p.m. and save and close. So now we've added May, June, July and August for Bob's Beach Party for the first Saturday of each month. So what we can do is we can refresh our front end here, select Bob's Beach Party, and we can see we now have the dates manually added for selection. After that, it's just like any other service where we can make our selection. It's quite an expensive party, this, and then continue for a booking process. So that's how we can add manual dates when our service isn't following a regular pattern where the generated dates could do the job.